Want to know how to create an agent that checks your grammar on your sentences? Well, no worries. In this video, we are going to use AgentGPT and I'm going to show you how you can easily create an agent that checks grammar. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. Just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now once you're here, make sure you're under the deployment tab, and under the name, just simply type pick anything. And now under the goal, here you can just simply type a goal that I'm about to give, just copy paste it. Now once you have typed in your prompt, just simply select tools and ensure that Google search is also ticked up, and then select run right here. And once it is done, your AI agent should start generating and you should get the results soon. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.